Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I had a question or a comment. Well, it was kind of a question. Somebody asked, and I have not answered yet, but I promise to get to that today. How do I account for household items, personal items for the month? Because when I do my monthly budget, I don't normally have a household personal item category. The way I normally do it is I count everything in my grocery budget. Cleaning products, toilet paper, paper towels, all of that go into my grocery budget. And I usually do pretty well. I'll either buy house brands, or if I have a coupon that goes with a good sale, I'll get it that way. But recently, I've been hearing a lot about CVS. Now, I've shopped CVS before, but I've never been a big CVS couponer. I'm a grocery store couponer to the max. But CVS has always eluded me somehow, and I was in the store today and I was asking myself, why is it that CVS eludes you? And here's the reason. So here's what I was asking myself. Why have I never mastered the CVS couponing? I do so well at the grocery store. And I just thought about it as I was going through CVS, and then it hit me. The problem that I have with CVS is, although you do earn extra care bucks, you do have to come up out of your pocket with money. And sometimes, because I normally would count items in my grocery budget, I try not to take monies away from my grocery budget to buy other items. So that's why I have never mastered the CVS couponing. But I'm going to give it another whirl, pretty much because I may have to tighten up my grocery budget a little bit. And I need to be able to get some items for the lowest possible coupon prices that I can. And CVS seems to be one of those stores that I could have a great opportunity to get some items for little or no money. So I'm going to give it a try. I spent a lot of time researching some of the deals, and I wanted to share with you 2 quick transactions that I was able to do at CVS. Not by any means the best I could have done, but I promise to work on it and try to do a little bit better. So let me share with you what I was able to get at CVS. Okay, so here are the deals I was able to get at CVS. I did 2 separate transactions, and I was really a little bit nervous because I have not shopped CVS in so long doing coupons. I go and pick up prescriptions and different things like that. So here's our CVS weekly ad. And when you go to the Extra Care Coupon Center or the big red box, they will print out for you. This week was the Colgate Max. You got $2.50 instant coupon off of that one. It was $3. And then you got the Hershey's Cookie Layered Crunch. Or you could get the Brookside, this is like the chocolate covered pomegranate seeds or whatever. This was $2 off. So the Colgate Max was $3. You got the $2.50 off instant coupon. And there was a coupon in the paper this week for 50 cents. So the toothpaste ended up being totally free. The Cookie Crunch, which is the one we picked, was $3.79. They gave you a $2 off coupon, and then we had a $1 off coupon, which gave us $3 off, so we paid 79 cents for that one. The next, so this was free. This was 79 cents. Then they had the Mitchum. Mitchum is this body deodorant. This was $2.99, and there was a $2 off coupon, and so we ended up paying 99 cents a piece, and you could get as many of those as you had coupons for. So here's where I got my extra care bucks. They had this L'Oreal. L'Oreal is in the paper for, so here's this deal. $5 extra bucks reward when you purchase $15 of any products listed below. So this is the L'Oreal Hair Expert of Paris. And this was $5.99. So $5.99, $5.99, $5.99, or $6 really. So it ended up being $18 for these 3 items. So I had 3 coupons. I always like to have a coupon per item. I had $4 off, $4 off, and I cannot find my third $4 off. But I ended up having $2 off. But I know I had another $4 off. So I had $4, $8, $10 off. So that was $10 off. And then I had, so it would be $6 for this and $2 for this. So that's $8. So my total that I spent was $10.74, because of course I had to pay tax on these and then tax on everything. So my total that I spent was $10.74, but I got $5 extra care bucks back. So really all here was $5.74, because I did get the $5 extra care bucks. And I actually had a $3 off your next purchase that came out as well. So I ended up getting $8 in extra care bucks back from this transaction. So this really all 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 items ended up costing me $5.74 once I got my extra care bucks back. Then I took my extra care bucks, which was $8, and I transferred that over here to these items that I purchased. So Nivea also had a deal. The Nivea deal was spend $10, get 5 back. And so these lotions were $7.99, so $14 or $16 really. $16. So spend 10, get 5 back. And these were the smallest ones they had that fit the sale. I looked to try to find cheaper. So 16, I got 5 back, so I really spent 11. And then I got this Revlon lustrous lipstick. This was $6.99. Buy one, get 3 extra care bucks back. So I got $3 back on these. And then these Wet n Wild nail polishes, I got these for Alana. They were $1.49. And I had 50 cents. They were $1.49. Buy one, get one, 50% off. So I paid $3.75, $3.75, and I had $1.50 off in coupons because I had 3 coupons here. I had $3 off of the lipstick, and then I had $2 off of the lotions a piece. So 2, 4, 7, $8.50 in coupons. So my total for this transaction ended up being $11.85 out of pocket, and I was able to get the $5 in rewards bucks for the Nivea, and then down here I got $2 for the Revlon lip luster. My lip luster wasn't acting right, so I don't think I got, oh, I did, because it's in the paper actually. $6.99, buy one, get 2 extra care bucks back. So I got extra care bucks back on the lipstick, and I got the $5 back on the body lotions. This is in shower body lotion. So I got $7 back in extra care bucks. I paid $11, and so really everything here was about $4 because I had a coupon for every item that I had, plus I got the extra care bucks back. So my total for CVS was $23, $24, and I'm just getting the hang of it. So I'm going to go back and look to see what else I can find and how I can best work my deals. And again, I'm new at this, so I probably spent way more than I would have liked to spend, but I'm trying to get my feet wet, because if I can master CVS, then I can save more in my grocery budget. So anyway, that was a quick little CVS haul. I just wanted to share with you how I'm trying to get some more personal items and not have to take that money out of my grocery budget. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. If you're a CVS shopper and you have some tips, be sure and leave me a comment below, because I would love to hear it. I'll take any help I can get. But thank you again so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time we coupon. Bye.